Kinder Playtime Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween, everybody! Welcome back to Kinder Playtime.
Yeah.
What do we have today, guys?
Yo, Zorbeez.
Zorbeez.
That's new.
Monster Oozers.
Yeah.
Oh, it's you. I've been waiting.
Oh, he's been waiting for us. This is our boogeyman.
Come for the candy.
He's asking if we came for the candy. Did you guys come for the candy?
We came for the surprise.
That's right. We don't have any candy today. Just the surprises.
Yeah.
And look how many we have.
Boom! Dad, look at our shirt.
Oh my goodness, you guys got the Kinder Playtime shirts, didn't you?
Yeah, we got the Kinder Playtime shirt.
All right. Woo, they turned out really good, didn't they?
Yeah.
Guess what, guys?
What?
They can order their own Kinder Playtime shirts at home.
What?
I know, it's so exciting. There's a link in the description. If you guys want to order one, how about it? That'd be awesome.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Are you guys having a good Halloween so far?
Yeah.
Man, I am too. I am so excited for all these surprises today.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop.
What do we got here? This
got
is
some
Zorbeez,
Zorbeez. Yeah.
Creature Chumper,
Yeah.
and then it looks like a Monster Oozers Zorbeez.
Whoa.
Whoa, and then a whole lot of surprises.
Yeah.
Given to us by our boogeyman.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, you guys both pick one at the same time.
Whoa, nice. I'm gonna do world's smallest.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one. That one?
What you got? Ooh, you got some slime, snake slime. All right, what'd you get, guys?
I got a PEZ Dispenser.
Oh, that's different. We haven't gotten that one.
Yeah. Woo! That one's good. It's a clown.
It is a clown. Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
That is good. Okay, and then we got slime over here. So go and put those PEZ in so we can have some. And you get that slime out. What do you think? Does that feel weird, Emily?
Feel weird. Whoa, it looks like water.
Ew, that's gross. Oh, cool.
It looks like water.
It does.
Whoa, look, there's a snake.
Do you like snakes?
No.
All right, here is our clown PEZ dispenser. You gonna try it?
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. You get the first one,
You
Jacob.
got yellow candy?
My turn.
Okay, give one to Emily.
Well, I get orange.
You got an orange one? Can I have one? Oh yeah, thank you.
You get the pink one.
Look how disgusting that is. Ew.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna smell it.
Is that gross?
A big burger of mine.
And it came with 2 snakes?
Yep.
Oh, a pink snake and a blue snake.
Oh no, not the blob!
Not the blob!
No! No, not the blob!
All right, guys, what's next? What we gotta do? We got more sludge, alien sludge, and oh, cool! It's a splat ball. Awesome. Okay, which Splatoon splat ball did we get? A blue one.
Yeah,
Awesome. These are really cool.
Yeah, these are really cool. You can't stand up.
No? He's doing the splits.
Yep.
Can you splat him?
Okay.
Throw him down. You ready? 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Let's throw it.
All right, throw it on the wall.
Throw it on the wall.
Oh. You got it in the trash can.
Let's try it.
Boom. Oh, that's so cool. Ah. Hey, throw it on the ceiling. Oh. Oh, you missed. Oh. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck on the ceiling. Oh,
Alright.
you want to open the sludge now? Alien sludge, here we go. Oh.
It's got a brain.
Oh, it has a brain? Ooh, gross. That's even more disgusting than other stuff. It's a black sludge.
It has a squishy brain.
Ew.
Oh, it's so sticky.
You squashed the brain.
Oh,
Gross.
oh
It's super stretchy.
it's so cool.
That is so.
Let's
That's
try to
nasty.
cover it up.
Okay, cover it up. Cover it up.
It can't.
Alien sludge. Ooh. We like slime, don't we?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
Oh, this is crazy. I got your mama hands. Whoa, there. Hey, look, it's gone. Wow. There it is. Look. Wow, this is crazy. Blah, 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 blah.
You guys are so excited to play with that sludge. Ew. Do you think the brain will stick?
Yeah.
To the ceiling?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. We got a brain on the ceiling. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Oh.
Oh, I got it.
Nice.
Oh, that's just like a.
That is a stretchy brain.
Whoa.
Oh no! All right, you guys ready for another one? Let's do it.
No.
Oh.
I see what you're doing.
Oh, he sees what we're doing.
Oh,
What'd you guys pick?
I think this.
Nightmare Before Christmas. And you got a Teen Titans Go. Which one do you guys want?
I think I want Cyborg.
Cyborg.
I want this one.
Which one's that? Show me.
This one.
Ooh, that one's awesome. I hope we get that one. Okay, you ready? Go ahead and dump them.
Oh, we got it!
You got it? Wow, that's so cool! Wow, I love it.
All right, this is the one that I got.
What did you get? Oh, I think we've got like 3 of these.
Yeah.
3 ravens?
Or maybe 5.
Here is a close-up of our raven poser.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And our Jack Skellington. Oh my goodness, I love this one so much. Yeah, Mom's gonna love it.
Yeah, my mama's gonna love it.
Okay, what's it gonna be next time? Another one? You got another one? Sweet.
And I got some Oozers.
DC Comics Ooshies, all right.
This time I want this one.
Okay, different Jack Skellington.
All right, let's.
Okay, let's do it.
Woohoo!
1, 2, 3, dump them. That's the one you wanted again.
I got.
That's so cool.
I got regular Batman.
Oh, Batman's awesome too, man.
I
Oh, I'm going down.
wanted this one right there.
Oh, the special edition Batman?
Yeah.
That's all right. We got Batman and he's cool by himself. All right, here is a close-up of our Batman. Ooshies, nice. And then our Jack Skellington again, and it's the one we wanted for the 2nd time in a row. That is amazing. I love it so much. But anyway, this Batman here made me think, what is everybody dressing up for Halloween as? I wonder. If you could let us know in the comments below, I'd love to hear what everybody's dressing up as.
Yeah. I'll tell you right now.
All right, what are you gonna be, Emmy?
Supergirl.
Supergirl!
I'm being a hot dog.
A hot dog? Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Yes, I'm gonna be a hot dog.
All right, guys, we got some more surprises. Lego Ninjago.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's another one of those poop unicorns. All right, what did we get, guys?
Okay. Whoa. Okay, that's a list.
Okay.
Who's that
We
guy?
got a whole bunch of random pieces. We'll have to put him together.
Let's see.
What poop unicorn did we get?
Let's see what poop unicorn. Oh!
Oh, it went away. Okay, so we got this Lego figure. Who's that?
It's the Ice Ninja.
Oh, is it? Okay.
But he doesn't really wear that suit.
No. Okay, so what color poop did we get? Poop unicorn. We got a purple poop unicorn.
Poopy, 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 poopy.
All right, what's gonna be next? Oh,
Oh, it's you.
oh, yep, it's still
I've
us.
been waiting.
What are you waiting for? What are we gonna do now?
These.
Zorbeez?
Yeah.
Come for the candy, eh?
No.
The Zorbeez!
Yeah.
All right, we got all of our Zorbeez out. Which one do we want to start with first?
This one.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we have a lot of blue Zorbeez already made. So we're going to use those. Yep. And you put them in there, and we got to crush them. We got to do a lot of stuff. So let's do that. But it also came with lots of other Zorbeez that you can use.
Yeah, that's a lot of Zorbeez. Yeah, that's 2,000 Zorbeez right there.
Okay, Emmy, fill that up.
Fill it up.
Ooh, okay, that's plenty. All right. And now we take, which part?
This.
That part? We got to crush it, right?
Yes.
So go ahead and crush it. Oh. That's cool. That is way cool.
Oh.
That's awesome. Time to put the Zorbeez in. Oh, squish, 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 squish. Nice. Now they're in there. Okay, we got it full. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's disgusting.
That's weird.
There's Zorbeez everywhere, Crump. I got some in my face. Ew. Oh my gosh. Look at all this mess everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
And we haven't even used the blaster yet.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Zorbeez. Here we go. All right, let's fill up our whatever this thing is. Zombie? I don't know what this zombie dog. Let's fill it up with Zorbeez. Here we go. Squish him. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it's all going in there. All right, we need a second fill, it says. Here we go.
Woo!
Oh, are you ready, Jake?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna get everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
This is disgusting. All right, 3, 2, 1, fire! Oh my gosh! Emily, did it get you?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
So cray-cray.
Oh, this is so gross. So gross!
Woo!
Maybe we should have done this outside.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, we got it everywhere.
Man, that took a long time.
It took a long time to clean up, man. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
You guys want some more surprises?
Yeah, let's
We
get
got some more in there.
I got this.
All right, Imagine X.
I got
Looks like
this.
Superman emoji movie. Nice. Okay, let's open them up. Okay, what do we get? Dump them.
Oh.
Ooh, that looks like Brainiac.
I got the one I wanted.
What'd you get?
I got the one I wanted.
That's the fish cake.
I wanted this one.
Yeah, you did. That's awesome. That's cute. Here is a close-up of our Brainiac and fish cake.
What is a fish cake?
I don't know. Maybe it's a cake that tastes like fish. All right, what's next, guys?
I got Zomblings in the town.
Zomblings in the town, and you got what? What are you trying to open over there?
Groceries.
Grocery gangs. All right, let's do it. What'd you get? Ooh, okay, so we got like a red phone booth or something? What'd you get?
I'm gonna let her go first
Okay.
so it can be nice. Trash can.
All right,
Got a
that's
trash
pretty cool. I
can.
like that one.
Get a trash can.
That one's squishy. Which one did you get?
A chicken.
Is it a chicken?
Oh, no, it's a fish.
A fish?
Fish down.
Okay, what's inside yours?
I got like a clown guy.
These look like some sad characters. Oh man, so Jacob got this really creepy looking clown.
Yeah. On a
trash
can.
Yeah, something like that. And definitely looks like some kind of chicken egg thing.
Yeah. It's a fish.
Alright guys, pick 2 this time.
Oh, is this one? Or I've got SpongeBob and Thomas the Train.
Oh, yeah. Mashems, awesome.
Yeah.
And you got
Star Wars and Power Rangers.
Star Wars and Power Rangers.
Nice.
Cool. Alright, let's do this. Let's start with Jacob.
You don't really know which one is which because they're both the same color blue.
I know.
This one is, it's the Thomas the Train one.
Nice. Got Toby.
And this one, it's this guy.
Oh.
It's SpongeBob.
Awesome. Okay, what'd you get? What'd you get, Emmy?
I want, maybe this one.
Okay.
Oh.
I think you peeked.
No.
You did, you peeked! You totally peeked! We got Lord Zed though. Awesome, we'll put him together.
Lord Zed.
Lord Zed! Okay,
Yes,
what's in the
Lord
Star Wars? What's
Yeah.
in this one? Here, let me help you.
Yoda one I wanted.
Yoda! Here's what we got this time.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I mean,
Percy!
Percy.
That's Toby.
Toby. Percy. And then we got Lord Zed and Yoda.
Nice.
Yoda! Spinning around.
Let's do all of them!
Oh my goodness gracious.
All right, here's the last ones.
Ninja Turtles Memoji.
All right.
The Lego Batman movie.
Ooh.
Cars, Ushis.
Yeah.
And
Toy Story.
Story.
Emoji. Power Rangers. And Transformers Mashems. Let's open them. Are you a zombie? All right, Jake, let's start with you. What did we get?
All right, we got Batman.
Ooh, what is that?
It's a different kind of Batman.
Oh, okay. Well, let's put them together in a second. What do we got here?
We got
Shredder. Nice.
This one is Jackson Storm.
Oh, Jackson Storm. That's the one you always want.
Yeah.
Nice.
Shoot.
All right, Emily, what did you get?
Okay, I got. Oh, that one. I got it.
What's in there?
The one I wanted.
Little Bo Peep, right?
Yeah, I got that one.
Cute. And we got a Transformer Mashems, which I don't know who that is, actually.
We haven't even watched it before.
Well, I've watched Transformers a lot, but I don't remember who that is.
Huh?
And then, which one did you get? He's happy.
Happy face.
Happy face. All right, and what's the last one you got?
Power Rangers.
Okay, who's inside?
Red Ranger.
Red Ranger! Cool. Okay, so here are our final toys. We have Batman holding a plate with a lobster, which makes no sense.
Yeah.
We got our Shredder. He looks really cool and angry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Jackson Storm.
Yeah.
And Little Bo Peep.
Yeah.
And the Transformer, I'm gonna guess I don't even know who that is. Is that Bumblebee? No, it doesn't look, no, Bumblebee's yellow, so I don't really know who that is.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
The whiteds.
And we got the laugh out loud, or the laughing emoji.
Yeah.
And then the Red Ranger from, is that Ninja Storm? Kind of looks like him, I think.
Yeah.
Sweet! Hey, Emmy, where'd Jacob go?
I don't know.
You don't know? What are you doing? You crazy.
I didn't know why I got this cat head.
Oh.
But can I still talk like my normal self?
Yeah, you're talking.
It's because it's just a mask.
Ah. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun today? Me too. I'm so excited for Halloween.
Yeah.
Are you dancing it? Oh, it's a dance party. Go for it. Dance party. What is y'all doing? You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Maybe you guys don't need any candy for Halloween.
Candy? Really? What? Are you kidding?
Oh, I know. I'm just playing with you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy Halloween!
Yeah! Happy Halloween!
I'm watching you.
Leave us a like, write us a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.